Okay, sige. Nakikiusap po kami dun sa...
Meron din bababa. So, bakit po namin pinapaliwanag po? Especially ito sa mga 10-day runners no, na mag-start. Ilang pag-present ang mga experience nyo. So, kung meron po kayo malatala yung respiratory or sinahango or what, huwag po tayo kaya.
Apple Laguna Federation. Councilor Maria Mr. Emerson De Castro, DIY Marketing Corporations, One Source General Solutions Incorporated, Team Energy Corporation, Water Central Sales Corporation, JG Summit Olympus Corporation, Gardenia Bakers Philippines Incorporated, Universal Rubina Corporation Santa Rosa City, Universal Rubina Corporation Canluba, Universal Rubina Corporation Calamba City, Republic Cement and Building Materials Incorporated.
Belton po yan. Next, may nakuha tayo ang certificate. Ayan. Thank you again, guys.
Okay, 5K, and of course, our 1K category for this
Okay
event.
guys, tapos na.
So sa mga kakarating lang po, please do not forget to hydrate yourselves. We have our Coca-Cola, we have water, and at the same time, we have a Gatorade provided here at the right side of our stage. Please do hydrate, and of course, later on, kung gusto nyo mag-breakfast, pwede naman.
Oh, sana all.
We're gonna do this
Sir.
for the special announcement for